Welcome to our second video in a series introducing you to our new web platform, PartnerXchange. In this video, we will cover the basics of completing an advanced ship notice, also referred to as a ship manifest, ASN, or 856. For demonstration purposes, we are completing an ASN for Target. However, your ASN may differ slightly due to differences in your trading partner's requirements. In order to begin fulfilling your advanced ship notice, you will navigate to the needed document by opening the conversation from the dashboard or searching for the purchase order through the search bar or research menu. Open the conversation and begin the ASN by clicking on the Create Ship Notice or Manifest link. You will first need an ASN number. This is the document number and can often be used to locate the document. For the date, this is the date you are completing the ASN document, not the date you are shipping or delivering the order. Some ASNs may also require a specific time in addition to a date for when the ASN is filled out. ASNs are typically divided into a minimum of 3 sections: the shipment, order, and pack information. It is also common to have an item information section. In the shipment information section, you can see that Target requires a number of common fields. The SCAC code, or Standard Carrier Alpha Code, is a 4-character alphabetic code used to identify different transportation carriers. For example, FedEx Ground's SCAC code is FDEG. Your carrier can either provide you this information, or this is easily found online. The transportation method is the general method by which you are transporting your goods. The most common method is motor for most vehicular transport. There are many other methods available. Routing is an optional field for Target that allows you to enter a free-form description of the routing used for shipment of the carrier's identity. There are different types of reference information that may be required. The information depends on your trading partner's requirements. Here you can see that Target is asking for either a bill of lading or a carrier reference number. We will select which number we will be providing and then fill in that number below. You can see some information is already filled out. This is because PartnerXchange will pull all of the information that it can from the original purchase order. Other information you can often find in the shipment section can include shipment weight, tracking numbers, shipping method of payment, shipment date, or delivery date. The order information section is generally information about the order. Here you can see the purchase order is pulled from the order already. The purchase order date is also commonly requested here. Target requires a packaging code to be provided. The total number of cartons will be determined by how you decide to pack your order, which brings us to the section below. There are different ways to pack your items. In this video, we will be covering the basic pick and pack method of packing items into a carton. Here you can see we have 4 products with different quantities. We can click the pack button to add that quantity to a carton below. If the quantity is not correct for the carton, we can simply edit the quantity inside the carton, and the unpacked quantity above will update, allowing us to pack the rest into another carton. If we need to add a carton, we can use the Add button in the carton section. You can page through your cartons to see the items packed into each carton, as well as the label number that is generated for you. If you need to remove an item from the carton, you can use the X button to the right-hand side. You can pack more than one item type to the same carton by using the Pack button on both. You can also use the Add Row link at the bottom of the carton to add an item that was not on the order. You can remove a carton by using the Remove button. Finally, you can pack and ship more than what was on the order, and that will also show up as an additional quantity. If you have a label and have finished packing your items, you can use the View Label button at the bottom to view your label. Once you have completed your ASN, you can use the Validate button to ensure you have included all required information. You may choose to save the document and return to it later, or you may send it out. This concludes our video on completing the advanced ship notice. To learn more about the PartnerXchange platform, check out our next video in the series.